What's going on, YouTube? You tapped in with your boy Big O, watching another episode of UTV. And just as promised, I'm going to keep you up to date with all the Oblock 5 RICO case / FBG duck murder case files as they come, when they come. I just updated y'all yesterday on the THF TZ motion being denied on that severance to get a separate trial here yesterday on the 15th. Today is the 16th, and we just got some new paperwork here on the case, y'all, regarding Marcus Smart, as y'all know, MUWOP. Now, before I show y'all this, I want to know, do y'all find this thing funny? If so, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below and a like. It say here, Cooperator 2 will testify that at times material to the superseding indictment, the leaders of Oblock were boss top, known to law enforcement as Individual A. Well, if y'all ask me, if they go down there and ask boss top anything about this RICO case and who was there during them Oblock meetings, I bet you that nigga say
Herb was there, R.I.C.O was there, Cap was there, Sosa was there, Tato was there. Do I gotta fucking keep going?
But no, though, y'all, all jokes aside, man, let's check out this new paperwork here on the 16th. I already got it queued up right here for y'all. As you can see here, the date 9/16, page 1 of 3. And I would say here, now comes to the United States of America by Morris, I don't know his last name, acting United States Attorney for the Northern District of Illinois, in support its motion for leave to file an oversized brief in response to Defendant Marcus Smart's motion to limine. Now, in case y'all don't know, basically, it's so many pages that you can come with it on a motion response, right? So let's keep reading. On August 25th, 2023, Defendant Marcus Smart filed motions in limine on docket number 219. That filing is now under seal. So let's go check out 219 real quick, y'all, so y'all can get an understanding on the actual motions that is at hand real quick. That's docket number 219. Okay, now the motions here, so y'all can see real quick. Motion number 1, to exclude the identification testimony of TG, TH, MW, and RW. And y'all already know MW is Trench's News, RW is Butter. They trying to get their identification testimony, taken out. Another motion that is up here on this same docket, and that is the rap videos. Motion to exclude drill rap videos and lyrics pursuant to federal rules. One of those is from King Von and Lil Durk. In that rap video, he say, call up MUWOP. He grabbed the Glock and he gonna kill for real, something like that. I ain't listened to the Still Trapping by MUWOP yet. No, that's Still Trapping by Lil Durk. No, I ain't listened to MUWOP song for real. I ain't listened to that one yet, but I know the lyrics that King Von said pertain to MUWOP. So that is the other motion. The third one here that is up for, and there's 4 of them, y'all. Motion to preserve the opportunity to make objections as to gruesome photographs as exhibits offered by the government. So basically, they want to be able to argue not letting the jury see duck body, basically. In this last motion to adopt motions by co-defendants. So any motion that MUWOP co-defendants actually put in and it go through, he's trying to get that adopted. So let's read what happened in today. So now y'all see the motions that is basically up for argument. Now, as you guys can see here, to exclude Defendant Marcus Smart motions in limine included a motion to limine and exclude drill rap videos and lyrics in a motion styled as a motion in limine to suppress 4 witnesses' identification of Defendant Smart. Like I told y'all before, just showing y'all that motion, they trying to get the security guard identification gone. They trying to get Los baby mama identification testimony gone. They trying to get Trench's News, which is Martell Wiley, which is, as y'all know, his initials is MW, and Rakeem Wilton, which is Butter, RW. They trying to get their identification testimonies taken out because they ain't see anything, so they shouldn't have a right to hear their identification testimonies. But that identification testimony is not going to have anything to do with, you know what I'm saying? It's going to pertain to everything that has just only the identification part of Marcus Smart. It ain't going to take out nothing that Trench's News was talking about, the RICO Act. You know what I'm saying? It ain't going to take out none of the if a member did not pay dues, that member would be charged interest for unpaid dues. The money was pulled together for various purposes, including memorials and funerals for deceased members. So basically, his statements that's proving that it's an enterprise is not going to be taken out at all. All right. Only thing that they're trying to take out from Trench's News is the identification testimony. But far as Trench's News testimony regarding that Oblock is engaged in racketeering activity, that still will be talked on. Trench's News is 100% cooperator number one. We already established that. Cooperator number one still fits the bill of, again, MW, as y'all know. So with that being said, Rakeem Wilton, his identification testimony indicated, see, this is what's going to be canceled out of Butter. All this, according to RW's identification, MUWOP is based. His identification of MUWOP was based on a YouTube video. You see what I'm saying? So they trying to get that out. Your boy Trench's News, MW identification of MUWOP. In addition, MW what the fuck is his name? Martell Wiley was not a witness to the murder. Martell Wiley was not a witness to any activity on the 4th at Parkway Gardens. Basically, and Martell Wiley's identification of MUWOP was through certain images. MW Martell Wiley testified that images of a black male on a Cama Vista video at 2:15 mark was MUWOP. So basically, his identification shouldn't hold up, but his testimony far as it regarding racketeering and engaged in the other stuff, that is going to stand. You see what I'm saying? These is just motions right here to take out the identification testimony. They know for a fact that they need Trench's News and Cooperator 2 to even prove the RICO on Oblock, due to the fact that Oblock, they ain't got no hard evidence on Oblock at all as far as RICO, but these two niggas talking on what they seen and what they was taking part of, which is Cooperator 1 and Cooperator 2. We don't know who Cooperator 2 is. We just know who Cooperator 1 is. But as y'all can see here, let's go back to this. Since we know all the identification people, as y'all know, TH, let me get y'all these names. TG is the old security guard. TH is TZ, not TZ, Los baby mama initials. MW is your boy Trench, and RW is FBG Butter. All right. So let's go back to this real quick. So those is the 4 identification testimonies that they're trying to get suppressed, which I think they're going to win that one, getting that suppressed. And I do think they going, I think MUWOP gonna win getting those rap lyrics out, and I think MUWOP is gonna win getting those 4 identification testimonies going. Pursuit 2, brief supportive opposition of any motion shall not exceed 15 pages without prior approval by the court. That's why I was telling y'all that these motions have a limit on its page. The response to these motions have a limit to its pages. So basically, what the government had to do is put in a motion to be granted in order to go 2 pages above. Let's keep reading. Defendant's motion included 4 identifications is substance to a motion to suppress. According to the government's response, must address each witness basis to identify Defendant Smart and circumstances surrounding the pretrial identifications. In addition to addressing Smart's legal arguments, the government seeks leave for an additional 5 pages to the response motion. And this is why I was telling y'all yesterday that this trial may not start until after the holidays. In case y'all don't know how stuff is set up, this trial is going to take about a month. And things this big and this magnitude, if it ain't done by Thanksgiving, if it ain't settled and done by Thanksgiving, they gonna push it back until after the holidays. And we talking about 2024. So it is looking as though these motions that they putting in, it takes time for the defense or the government, which is the feds, to make their argument. So they have to set another court date. And then after that, it's a court date on the ruling of that motion. So with these motions that's being put in, and y'all know that the trial supposed to start on the 10th, it is looking as though that this trial may be postponed for sure. But additionally, Defendant Smart motion in limine to exclude certain rap music and lyrics raised two different songs, one by Defendant Smart and another by a non-defendant, which is a Dirk song, but it is King Von lyrics. All right, so it does get Dirk out of the high water because Von, the one that said, I call up MUWOP, he grab his Glock and he gonna shoot to kill or kill for real, something like that. So, but in that video, Dirk, King Von was already dead, and Dirk is the one that said it. So don't get it misconstrued. Those ain't Dirk lyrics. Given the issues raised by defendant's motion, the government is unable to compose a response of 15 pages or fewer. Accordingly to the government seeks leave for additional 2 pages to the response to this motion. The government reached out to the counsel for a Defendant Smart as to its position on this motion, but at the time of filing, the government has not received a response. Okay, so this is why I feel as though that, again, this may be pushed back, y'all. I want to know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. Do y'all think this is going to actually go down on the time that it's supposed to? Like I said before, I'm gonna give y'all this info as it comes. It just dropped 12:30 a.m. and y'all got it here first. And don't forget to subscribe, man. Leave a like on this channel. It really do help the channel grow. I'm going to keep these videos coming as they come, when they come. We should be getting that response letter. New court dates, if y'all want to check them out. Upcoming court dates here in the case. Let me show y'all brief that real quick for those that don't know. I think it's on this real quick. Upcoming court dates here in the case is, oh no, this is their argument to the motion. Upcoming court dates is this or not? That was yesterday. This is upcoming court dates, I believe. So 2 pages, I believe this is it. And here it is, upcoming court dates. So as you guys can see here, next court date will be on the 20th. And defendant's Roberson response to motion 209 is due by 9/20. So we will be getting some more paperwork before the 20th on Roberson's motion. Defendants Thomas Liggins and Turpin's response to motion B are due by the 26th. So we're going to get some more paperwork by at least the 20th here on the case, y'all. So with that being said, make sure y'all tap back in. Make sure that post notification bell is set to all so you will be alerted each and every time I create one of these videos. And I'm out.